Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard, and this week we went out to the Cars of Purpose Auto Show at the Sam's Club on Busch Drive in Jacksonville. There were some pretty awesome cars out there, and this car show was for a good cause. So, check out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. I'll go down this one.
It's not blocked off over here.
There's a cone right there.
Yeah.
As far as you can go.
Yeah.
So I'll probably pull up beside that black Charger if there's a space there.
Or over here by this truck. Either place, dear.
I'll pull up right there.
Alright. Looks like I'll be walking. Oh, look at those.
Yeah, those are from Jam.
They're with my glasses. What?
I'll get what I can get.
Yeah. Oh my God, man.
Count.
Alright.
Out the country, let me get some Hennessy while I'm chilling on the beach. I'ma count a couple G's, every server bring the seeds, double check your life. 1, 2, I let one go. 2, I let one go. 2, I let one go. 5, 4, 3, 2, I let 5 go. I don't fuck, bro. Aiming at you.
Don't forget about the big rapper going on, y'all.
I'm a cutthroat. You're a tough guy.
You get one ticket for $1. You can get 3 tickets for $5.
What the yo?
You can get an arm limb for $10. And you get a car limb for $20. It's all for a beautiful cause, a worthy cause.
Put the gun aside.
Make sure you get your raffle ticket.
Music leaves a little bit desired.
That ain't bad.
Nigga this, nigga that.
Well, at least they blanked out the F word. Yeah.
Oh shit.
What?
I know what I was gonna do while I was sitting here.
What?